this video, we'll demonstrate how to test sensors, either during the construction process or after their installation. The test is a vital part of the system installation and helps to ensure that all of the sensors are properly installed and sending correct information. For trouble-free testing, you should have the following: the central unit, a USB-C charger for the central unit power supply, a smartphone, and a Wago terminals for connecting cables. As shown in the installation videos of individual sensors, before the test is started, be sure to strip 5 to 10 centimeters of the white sleeving from cables, as well as 1 to 1.5 centimeters off the ends of the colored wires. Then connect the wires together according to the color coding and insert them into the Wago terminals. The test can be performed for individually connected sensors, or the test can be divided into multiple groups, but we highly recommend connecting cables from all of the sensors for testing at the same time. Connect the linked bundles to the terminals of the central unit marked with the corresponding colors of the wires, labeled sensors. The first step is to connect the unit to a power source by connecting one end of the USB-C cable to the charger and the other to the central unit, making sure that the status LED flashes regularly. Then press the RST button for 2 to 3 seconds. Never hold the button longer, as it will reset the central unit. The LED will flash in 1-second intervals. This signifies that you are in what is known as Wi-Fi app mode. In the network settings of your mobile device, look for the Wi-Fi network named Senzomatic, with the serial number of your central unit to which you are connecting. No password is required to connect to the network. Open your favorite internet browser and enter 192.168.10.1 into the website address box. You can also find this information in the manual that comes with the central unit, so you don't need to memorize the number. If the connection is successful, the user interface of the central unit is displayed. Select Test of Sensors from the menu. Click on the Start Test of Sensors button to ensure the unit is communicating with all the installed sensors. In the event an installed sensor cannot be found, check its connection to the central unit and repeat the sensor testing process. If the sensor continues to exhibit an installation error, check the power cable connection to the sensor, as well as for physical damage to the sensor itself. We recommend testing the sensors immediately after installation, even if some of the sensors are not yet installed. The remaining sensors should be tested separately. If for any reason the central unit loses connectivity any time during the activation process or restarts or shuts down, you will be alerted by an error message. In the event of this, please repeat the entire process, including connection to the central unit. Once the system shows that all the sensors are correctly connected, please fill in your contact details in the relevant boxes of the form and save the test report protocol. Here at the end of the video, let's summarize what to do and what to watch out for. Test each sensor on the same day it is installed. Always connect all types of sensors to the terminals marked Sensors when testing. Always start from the beginning whenever the mobile phone is unable to communicate with the unit.